Well, good morning to all of you wonderful people out there in YouTube land, Kindle publishers, entrepreneurs, freedom fighters, and anyone else watching this. It's Emeka coming at you here, and I wanted to do a really quick video update on a video that I did a little while ago, but the title of the video, I'll link it up in the cards here or here, was how I killed my top-selling book. And if you remember, I was experimenting, I was testing out some new things because I wanted to kind of see what I could see if I could do something to sell more books, and I ended up completely killing this book. Like, it went from making $100 a week to making absolutely zero in a month. And lesson learned, but once I figured out the problem, I called Amazon. We were working together, getting it fixed, and it's finally sorted out, and I am pleased to bring to you that the book last week has jumped up. It basically didn't even stop. I did $127.18 that's across CreateSpace and Ingram Spark. $94 was just Ingram Spark. Sold 15 copies over there. So really excited to see that book back selling $100 a week. Gave me a heart attack for a little bit, but it's cool. That book is now about how old is it? It'll be approaching a year old or so. It's probably about 10 months old or so right now, but it's so cool. 10 months old, that book's still doing $100 a week. There's not one review swap. I don't do review swaps in this niche at all. And I'll tell you how many reviews we got on. So, hey, sweet, got bestsellers, got #1 bestsellers. Cool, I haven't checked it for a while. Ebook sells for $4.99. Paperback sells for $25.48 right now. And I got 10 reviews, and we got a 4.7 rating. Oops, my finger was in the way. Sorry about that. It's first thing in the morning. I'm just finishing up breakfast, but I knew I wasn't gonna have time to film this video today, so I figured I'd just pull up my camera and just kind of do a informal one for y'all. But really excited. But hey, lesson learned is, if you don't know what's going on in your business, if you're not finding a way to track your sales monthly or weekly, even if you can do that. I'm looking at my weekly sales report right now. If you're not tracking your sales, stuff like this slips through the cracks. So being a smart business owner, smart publisher, smart entrepreneur, smart human being, tracking your numbers, knowing where you're at, so you can improve them. So anyways, hit me up in the comments if you want to connect. Find me on Instagram for more behind the scenes stuff on my crazy life. But until we speak again, I'll speak to y'all soon. Take care.